Hello everyone. In last video we learnt a formula of 9. If you did not watch that video, I have given the link. First you watch that video and after that you start this video. On ones place, if 1 is there we can add 8. But if any other number is there, we can't add 8. So today we are going to learn a formula of 8. 8 is equal to minus 2 plus 10. If you didn't subscribe my channel, first subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notification when I share new video. Then let us start. 1 plus 2 plus 8 means minus 2 plus 10. So answer is 11. Clear the abacus. 8 plus 8 means minus 2 plus 10. 9. We should remember old formulas also, minus 1 plus 10. So answer is 25. We know that after each sum it's mandatory to clear the abacus. 9 plus 18. We know that we should split the number 10 plus 8, 10, and for 8 we use formula minus 2 plus 10. Again for 9 we use formula minus 1 plus 10. So answer is 36. Clear the abacus. 2 plus 2 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10. So answer is 12. Two plus 8 minus 2 plus 10. Again for 8 without formula we can do it. So answer is 18. Clear the abacus. 3 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10. 9 minus 1 plus 10. So answer is 20. Clear the abacus. 4 plus 28. We will split the number 20 and for 8 we use formula minus 2 plus 10. Again for 8 we use formula minus 2 plus 10. So answer is 40. Clear the abacus. 7 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10. 11. Here no need to split the number because without formula we can do it. So answer is 26. 9 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10. Again 8. So answer is 25. 7 plus 8 plus 20. So answer is 35. In previous video we learnt that for 70 we use this butterfly finger. If you didn't watch that video, link has given. 73 plus 6 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10. 9 minus 1 plus 10. So answer is 96. We learnt that if your addition or subtraction sign is not there, means it is addition or it's plus. 25 plus 3 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10. 9 minus 1 plus 10. So answer is 45. We know that after each sum it's mandatory to clear the abacus. 85 plus 4 plus 8 minus 25. So answer is 72. Twelve plus 1 plus 9 plus 18. We know that we should split the number. First we'll do 10 and for 8 we use formula minus 2 plus 10. So answer is 40. Clear the abacus. Already we learnt that for 50 we have to use middle finger. 52 plus 2 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10. For 18 we will split the number 10 and for 8 we use formula. So answer is 81. Eleven plus 2 plus 8 minus 2 plus 10. 18 means 10 plus 8. So answer is 39. Clear the abacus. 13 plus 9 minus 1 plus 10. 8 minus 2 plus 10. 8. Without formula we can do here 8. So answer is 38. Clear the abacus. 1 5 15. 13. 9 and 8. So answer is 45. Clear the abacus. For 60, which fingers we have to use? Yes, butterfly finger. 64 plus 8 plus 8. Again without formula we can do 8. So answer is 88. Clear the abacus. 66 plus 1 plus 8 plus 24. 20 plus 4. So answer is 99. We know that on these two roads maximum value we get 99. Now time to do for homework. 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8. Type your answer in chat box. Thanks for watching.